Good morning, everyone. We are here right now. My name is Margaret, and I want to present you the association that we have made for Cazale. We are living in Canada. This is a part of all associations that we have made over the world. But we have a special mission. We believe in education, health, and wealth for our community. We are working hard to make that happen, but we need your support. After couple editions we've made to move forward, now we end up and need more help and to become international, to have everybody to archive this future for the children. As we experience along the world, we know it's not Haiti present like a challenge for everybody, for children to go to school. We have learned about by the United Nations the difficulty the children have. Instead of seeing them being armed by the gang, we prefer to involve in their education. That's why we are here today, to have your help and your support. Thank you.
Distance. Prêt, fixe. Distance. Prêt, fixe. Pour le salut 1. Commandez-vous.
Ce matin, nous allons chanter la première chante du chant de la dessinée. Pour les arrêts, pour les pays. La loi, point de tête, du soir, ça, on s'aime. Marchons unis, marchons unis.
Après 3, 4.
Le pays, les ancêtres, marchons unis, marchons unis. La loi, point de tête, du soir, ça, on s'aime.
We have helped like 16 to 18 children to go to school. Those kids, we choose them from the power people who never think that they will go to school a day. This year we bring them to school. We pay everything from head to toe. We pay the uniform, the dress, the books and everything. We pay the school for them, because as you know, the national school, it doesn't do much. We have to take them to a private school. We pay that for them. But before that, we help the older people to have like a food, like to take them in the hospital if they need help, where they need support. So this year it costs more than $5,000, but for us, like as a small association, we would like to do more, because the need, it's overwhelmed. That's why we are here, to let you know Haiti, but especially our community in Cazale, need help. The gang has established their as we say, their house in Cazale. They take many houses. And now they challenge to hire the kids to be soldier. we won't like, we don't want that to happen. That's why we are here, to help them, to take them to school, to give them something to do when they get in older, instead to have a gun in their hands, but to have a pen to write. It's another thing that they can do. That's why we are here, to communicate what we have done and what we would like to do as well. So, as we say, we are a small association and we are working hard to make the people being a good community, to help them to get out of the situation that they are now, right now. For this association, we have made a website to communicate, and you will see in the website the pictures and the kids that we have already helped. Every dollar counts. We need your support. If you want to donate, we can assume that each dollar will go to the kids, to their need, to the community. We have the website, it's cazale.com. It's easy, cazale.com. And we have also an email, it's gocazale@gmail.com. So you can communicate with Jeslyn Cleus, Margaret Pierre-Louis, Fedner Cleus, and we are here to help. We are here to communicate with you, to give you details, what we have already archived for these kids, for the community, and what we are willing to go to do for them, and to help the community to get out from the situation that they are actually in. After sending to school about 20 kids, we make a survey in German only. We have more than 100 kids doesn't go to school this year. Our plan, we would like to send more kids to school to help. If we get help, we will send the 100 to school. If we have money, if more help we have, more help we're going to send the kids to school. Your support is important. Your dollar count. This association, it's a young association, but we are willing to grow bigger and bigger to get the community out of the situation, to help them live by themselves, do something better. That's why we are here to present the association. Allow me to present you the president of the association.
My name is Jeslyn Cleus.
My name is Margaret Pierre-Louis, as I said before, and we are here to thank the Polish community for their help, for their support. As a nation, our nation is bound together. From years ago, the Polish community and the Haitian community in Cazale, we are one nation. We count on your support to help this community grow and in the best way we can. Thank you. God bless Haiti. God bless Poland. God bless Cazale.
Tyle razy pragnęłaś wolności, tyle razy gnębił cię kat, ale zawsze czynił to obcy, a dziś brata zabija brat.